What? What did you say? What did you say to me? I said I'm gonna destroy the planet of blah blah. Not on my watch, you're not. Blah. I don't think so. That'll teach you. I still don't care. Blah. Oh, hello? Hey, yeah? Okay, I'll be there in a second, Grandma. Don't worry. I'm coming. Okay? I'm coming.
To run away, or is it escape? Baby, what are you running from?